Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to use HitPaw Video Converter. So first, you will have to download it from hitpaw.com and install the app. Now, you will have to look for video converter, which is right here, and just click on that, and this is the one that you will have to download and install. And after that, you will just have to open it and drag in your video file. You will choose the output format like MP4, MOV, AVI, or even audio formats like MP3. You can also select resolution, quality, and device presets. And then you will click convert, and within moments your video will be ready in the new format. It's great for content creators, editors, or anyone who needs media files in specific formats. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.